Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Guess what time it is? Yes, we are walking. So some of you may be saying, Kimmi, I'm a walk and talk. What makes you the expert? What makes you the expert trying to teach us how to walk? I just want to motivate people. I look at a lot of videos on YouTube and other places, and it's a lot of really thin folk trying to teach us how to step. I look at them and I'm saying, I can't move like that. So I'm figuring maybe I can motivate someone to start moving and to start grooving out there. Get your groove back. So we just gonna walk a little bit today again. I think we'll do another 10-minute walk. We'll do 10. So today we'll just walk, no weights. We'll mix up our moves a little bit. If you want to go a little bit faster, you can. The other reason is I'm doing this is because I want to show you, you don't have to be outside. You don't have to have a big space. You can start right in your living room. So as you can see, I'm already winded. I've been walking a minute and a half, right? Since the time I started. So I'm just going to walk a little bit more. We're going to do some counting together. And I'm going to walk back. You see, I don't have that much space, and you don't need that much either. So motion is lotion. Motion is lotion. Sometimes our joints and stuff are hurting because we're not moving. We just sit. So no matter where you are, you too can move. So let's start our counting, okay? We already been moving. We're going to count 8. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to say I'm not a doctor, so consult your physician. Got to get that disclaimer. Now we're going to walk back 8, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? All right, forward. Let's go 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move your arms a little bit, okay? Very good. We're going to stand in place for about 8, maybe twice. So how about it? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Listen to your music because of YouTube. Right now I don't have no music. But it's all good. You can do your own. We're going to do 8 more in place and kind of move them arms, okay? Ready? Let's go. 1, ooh, ooh. 2, uh-oh, 3, uh-oh, 4, uh-oh, 5, uh-oh, 6, uh-oh, 7, uh-oh, 8, uh-oh. That was my little extra, okay? Every little bit helps. I can feel that in my back, in my arms, okay? So let's go. We're going to walk up 8 and back 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop, boop. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Got it? We're going to go back 8. Same thing. Move the hands a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Let's go. Come back. And move something. Move something. Break out to a freestyle. Move something. Move something. Okay? Move something. Move something. Okay? All right, guys. Let's go. We're already halfway there. It's more fun when you do it with somebody. We're not moving that intense because we got to lose a little bit before we can move a lot. Okay? I think I like that. We got to move a little bit before we can move a lot, okay? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what I'm wearing today, you can see this a lot more. But I'm going to tell y'all something. We've only been doing this together. This is my 3rd workout with you guys. In addition to what I do with you, I actually walk. Y'all know I'm a walker. And I have an elliptical that I do. So we just stepping in place. So whatever movement you can do to get started. I have been trying to cut the carbs. So honestly, I can see where this has gone down just a wee bit. But again, I'm not stressing. I ain't stressing, and don't let nobody stress you out. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. We're going to kick our legs to the front just a little bit. Ready? Let's go. Let's use our arms too, because we're trying to like express this. So let's go to the front. Ready? 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you may be saying, Kimmi, this is not intense enough for me. That's okay. Do you, boo? Do you? Because I got to do me, right? So I'm feeling like I'm doing something. It's better than nothing. Let's go. Did you work out today? Did you work out today? If not, get up and do something. Let's do it together. All right. Now we're going to kick back. We're going to kick our legs back just a wee bit because my hip is still hurting. It's going to be a minute, but we're going to do a little something. So that's why I said you can change it if you need to. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's better if I try to stand with my core aligned, but my hip is hurting so bad, so I probably shouldn't be doing nothing, but we're going to do it anyway. Because sometimes you got to push through. My sister said do not baby it. She said don't baby it. So I'm not going to baby it. I'm going to keep on pushing through. Now, in your case, you may have to stop. Okay? My next video, I'm going to do chair exercises. Because you might not be mobile at all. You might not be able to do anything. Okay? And that's okay, too. We're going to do some chair exercises. But I want to show you right now in a small space what you can get accomplished. You might have a 1-bedroom studio. You might just have a 1-bedroom somewhere. Okay, let's clap our arms. We're going to do our arms a little bit. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to do 8 more. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are a couple pieces of equipment at the gym that I just love. There is one where you pull it down like this. And in honor of that, we're going to do 8 of those in just a moment. But you pull it down like this. And I love how it makes my back look. And then another one I like is the leg press. The big weight, and you press your legs like this. But I'm not ready for that. Maybe if I go to the gym. And then I love doing the elliptical because it's easy on your joints. It's easy on your joints. Now, I sweat more when I move. So, it's just facts, okay? You don't stop your elliptical. Do not stop your treadmill if you're doing it already. Those things are great, especially treadmill. Okay? But if your knees are not that great, then you got to make adjustments, okay? So, in honor of my favorite piece of equipment, arms up. Ready? Pretend like you holding the bar. Let's pretend the bar, and we're going to put our arms down 8. We're going to do it 2 times. Ready? Got the bar? Let's go. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel that, y'all. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I know you do. Every little bit counts. Every little bit counts. So let's see how far we got. We have been walking 9 minutes. We're going to do another count of 8. Pretend you got the bars at the gym. Pretend we're at Planet Fitness, guys. Let's do it. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Look at that back. That back gonna be looking good. Looking good. Like you know it should. Y'all know I'm crazy, right? All right. You know what? That feels so good. We're gonna do 8 more. This is my workout. I can do it how I want to. It's your workout. You do what you want to. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the bar. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yes, we did. Oh, yes, we did. 3 sets of 8 on the back side. Oh, yeah, we did. So guess what, guys? You just went to Planet Kimmi today. We ain't go to Planet Fitness, but we went to Planet Kimmi. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We're going to get ready to wrap it up. We're going to do 2 more sets of 8 going forward. 2 more going back. And then we're going to slow it down and stretch. Ready? 8 forward. Let's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. That's 8. Back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! You see how I use my arms and my hands that time, right? So I'm going to come forward just a little bit. And we're going to slow it down. Kind of stop. Because if you like me, your heart rate is up. It's going. We ain't about to fall out or nothing, but I'm winded. Okay, plus I'm talking. All right, make sure you get your water. Some additional tips for today is make sure you get your water, whatever that looks like for you. I have a large pink cup. I try to drink 2 per day. I've been slacking. But I'm about to get on track because that water helps pushes things through. Okay, this morning I've been starting back with my apple cider vinegar. So I do like 2 or 3 capfuls and some hot water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That may not work for you, but it does for me. And I started my smoothies back today too. And I do feel differently. I started my smoothies back. In my smoothie, I typically put some fruit and bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and ginger. Okay, that's my go-to. Sometimes I'll just throw whatever I have in the house in here, but that's my go-to. And I feel better already today. I got to get that in my body some way. I haven't been doing my smoothies in about a month or 2 because I read something that says you should really eat your fruit. But I find for me, I get the nutrients better sometimes if it's straight in my system. And I had my smoothie at 9, and I didn't eat nothing else till 2. Okay? All right, we about to slow this thing down. Ready? Okay, let's go. So we're going to stop. Okay, we're going to stop. We're going to do our stretch, right? We always got to stretch. If I don't, my body hurts. So we're going to stretch like this. We're going to go up, hold it, do the other side, kind of feel that coming through, hold it, we're going to go up, and we're going to stretch like that, okay, we're going to bring it down, like that, oh, okay, let's do that neck, you know, I like to do that neck roll, don't feel complete unless you're rolling that neck, okay, you might need to consult your doctor, I'm going to say it again. But I don't think too many people going to tell you not to walk, okay? Now, I like to just do my legs a little bit. I can't do that much because my hip hurt, right? You may be in a similar situation. So I'm just going to bend over. You do what you can, okay? I'm going to bend over. And then I like to just kind of come back up out of it like that, kind of like I'm sitting up, getting up out of my chair. I'm going to do it again. Go down, watch your back. We ain't trying to have no back injuries. We're going to come back up and then just kind of stretch. Oh, pull the back like that. Okay. Then we're going to do our legs just a little bit. Now, see, yesterday I had to hold on to something. If you was watching yesterday live, I wasn't able to do this because my leg was hurting that bad. So I'm making improvement. Look, yesterday I had to hold on to the table. If you was watching yesterday, so look, every day is getting better, y'all. Every day. Don't be left behind. So that's all I got for you. I'm encouraging you to get your walk on today. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever that looks like for you. And let's do the thing, okay? New year, new you. Let's go. Okay. Bye. See you on the next walk. Bye, guys.